Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today the question is one regional maths Olympiad from India. Given ABC are positive numbers, if 1 over 1 plus A plus 1 over 1 plus B plus 1 over 1 plus C is less than equals to 1, we have to prove product of 1 plus A square, 1 plus B square, 1 plus C square is greater than equals to 125. So let's proceed. So starting from what is given, 1 over, rewriting this, 1 over 1 plus A plus 1 over 1 plus B plus 1 over 1 plus C is less than equals to 1, or shifting 1 over 1 plus A to right side, I'll get 1 minus 1 over 1 plus A. It will simplify, this will be A over 1 plus A, or I may write A over 1 plus A is greater than equals to 1 over 1 plus B plus 1 over 1 plus C. So what is the next? Next I'll write similarly the other two. Similarly, B over 1 plus B is greater than equals to 1 plus C plus 1 over 1 plus A, and C over 1 plus C is greater than equals to 1 over 1 plus A plus 1 over 1 plus B. So from the first one, this relation 1, or for each, I'll apply a relation between arithmetic and geometric mean. 1 for right hand side, this not equation, in equation. For these two, I'll apply arithmetic mean is greater than equals to the geometric mean. So 1 over 1 plus B plus 1 over 1 plus C is greater than equals to 2 times into square root of 1 by 1 plus B plus C, or 1 over 1 plus B plus 1 over 1 plus C is greater than equal to square root 1 plus A, B into 1 plus C. So rewriting the inequalities 1, we may write A over 1 plus A is greater than equals to 2 over 1 plus B multiplies 1 plus C. Similarly, inequality 2 can be written as B plus 1 by B greater than equals to 2 times 1 over square root 1 plus C into 1 plus A. And C over 1 plus C is greater than equals to 2 times plus A into 1 plus B. Now I'll multiply these three expressions, multiplying. Above three inequalities. A over 1 plus A plus B, C over 1 plus C is greater than equals to 2 into 2 into plus A, 1 plus B. So A, B, C over 1 plus A into 1 plus B plus 1 plus into 1 plus C is greater than equals to 8 over 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 1 plus C. So ABC are positive. That means we can write ABC is greater than equals to 8. ABC are positive. So we got the relation ABC greater than equals to 8. Then we will go for the questions. This question is 1 plus A square into 1 plus B square into 1 plus C square is greater than 125. To prove now, 1 plus A square B square into 1 to 125. So simplifying the LHS, multiplying, I will get 1 plus A square plus B square plus A square B square. Again multiplying with 1 plus C square. Whole thing will be 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square plus A square B square square C square C square A square plus A square B square C square. This is greater than equals to 128. So for A square plus B square plus C square, again I will apply the arithmetic mean is greater than the geometric mean. Then A square plus B square plus C square is greater than equals to 3 times A square B square C square into cube root. Again goes these 3. We will apply the arithmetic geometric mean. This is this A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square is again greater than equals to 3 times of A4 B4 C4 to the power 1 by 3. So writing the LHS is now is greater than equals to 1 plus, for this one, 3 times of A square B square C square to the power 1 by 3 plus, instead of this, 3 times of A square B square C square to the power 2 by 3, and A square B square C square is same as your A square B square C square 1 by 3 to the power 3. So I am trying to get a whole cube. So this is 1 by 3 power 3, 1 by 3 power 2 and 1 by 3. So LHS is greater than 1 plus A square B square C square to the power 1 by 3 whole power cube. We can check again. 1 cube, this will be a square b square whole cube, 3 into a square plus b square plus c square 1 by cube, and this is 2 by 3, power 2 by 3. So this is how much? This is greater than equals to 1 plus 8 square or 3. 8 to the power 2 by 3 equals to 64, cube root is 4, 1 plus 4 to the power 5 to the power 3. So it will be 5 to the power 3 equals to 125. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.